Awany is my name, Member of Parliament representing the people of Noya County, and also the Deputy Chairperson, Physical Infrastructure Committee of Parliament. Today has been a very hectic day. The Committee of Physical Infrastructure today embarked on its mission to assess the status of the infrastructure in the entire northern Uganda. We started with the biggest elephant in the room, the Karuba Bridge, which has partially been closed and therefore threatened the disconnection of northern Uganda from the rest of the country. So today we went and assessed the situation. We are certain the defects. The bridge is giving way, and the engineers gave an explanation on the defects and explained that in 2 weeks' time, serious work will begin. Now, after the 2 weeks, they are going to permanently close the bridge to ensure that they catch up with the time frame of 3 months to have the remedial work on Karuba completely done. We also moved and assessed the status of the progress of the rehabilitation of Karuba-Olweyo Pakwach Road. We are happy that work is in progress, although there are issues here and there, but the promise that the UNRWA team and the contracting engineers and the NEC have given us is a very big relief. We proceeded on to assess also the situation on Pakwach Bridge. Pakwach Bridge materially is still in a very good state, but there's one very big threat to Pakwach Bridge, the floating vegetation, which is occasioning a lot of the dump load, because this floating vegetation brings about the dump load and actually is pushing the bridge. The chief engineer has explained that the bridge has moved off a little bit by some very worrying millimeters. So that is the biggest threat. So from time to time, the UNRWA team has got to identify and monitor this floating vegetation when they come from the other side of Wanseko, from the other side of Panyimu. These guys have got to be on their feet, monitoring this floating vegetation that threatens the existence of this bridge. But in all 2 cases, there is a very, very big light at the end of the tunnel. Of course, for long-term planning on Karuba, JICA is coming. September 2026, they are going to construct a bridge downstream, 60 meters from the old bridge. We saw the structure, and they are committing about 90 billion shillings, about 100 billion for that project. For Pakwach, there is also a new design which has been made. I think it is a Chinese company, the CCCC, that's going to work on Pakwach Bridge. This design is going to incorporate, to integrate the meter gauge railway. You see, this old bridge also had a provision for the rail line. Actually, we were told that this bridge belongs to Uganda Railways. So whatever situation this bridge suffers, UNRWA and Uganda Railways actually trying to look at the solutions together. We are going to come up with an extremely new bridge on Pakwach. So we are very grateful to the team of UNRWA that is doing a great job. Now the issues we got in Agung and also Olweyo, you know, when this compacting machinery is working on the road, it causes a lot of vibration, and in the process there are so many cracks on so many buildings in Agung. UNRWA has assured me that at an appropriate time they will compile the data of these affected persons for compare. We should be ready to host the regional sitting of Parliament in Gulu. All the issues affecting northern Uganda in general will be discussed. The issues of infrastructure in northern Uganda will be presented on the floor of Parliament sitting in Gulu on the 28th and 29th of August. Members of Parliament will debate. We shall do our best to come up with a very good report as the Physical Infrastructure Committee of Parliament. I thank you so much.